Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make the artistic alphabet. So I got this note transition, and let's do how to make it with a transition. Let's learn it. How? This is Power Director. So go to screenshots. This is my own version. If you haven't checked out my artistic alphabet, my version for 2022, I'll link it right in the description. And there you go. I'm not really sure about this because it has more. Okay. So what to do is to to let you know that it's going left to right. So first, it's not gonna fade out. It's gonna fade in and it's gonna fade out. All you do is just to split. You need to split the one. Just continue splitting, and then at the very last, so on the next one, you will slide it out so you could see some of the parts of it. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, it does look cool. They really look ah I will be back, okay guys, because I got a problem with that. Because did you just see that? I will just do the thing again.
And as Cupids, our job is to fix.
Where is the split? Okay, what you do again is to make it right there, so it could fade in, and at the last second it would fade out on the right side. And also, this is a really cool effect because the effect is to make some the weirdest sound ever, that you combine the letters together like this. So they do sound cool. I really love how they sound like split. Now it's on. You can mostly see it. Ah. There. Let's split. It's now on this side. Now I saw it on the corner of my eye. I just noticed it. The second one was going on the bottom, but yes, it would still see it. There. So make it more right there. You need to make room for space on the next artistic alphabet. What you just do is keep repeating, but every time you do a split, you gotta move it because yes, at the corner of my eye, I just noticed the next one just removed it, but it went in the other direction. What the? What the? Why is it like that? Oh, okay, okay, I know. You're just gonna still extend it right there.
Supporters ng Team Lenny Kiko na dumalo sa kanilang kick-off rally, hindi alintana ang Alert Level 3 na nakataas sa Camarines Sur.
Proclamation rally ni Casio de Guzman, itinuloy kahit walang pera.
It's too high.
Yan na ang iba pa sa pagbabalik ng Frontline Pilipinas.
Masaya, pag Johnny Savers ka. Sobrang sarap pero naman Johnny Savers. Making life sweet is easy dahil 35 pesos SRP lang ang isang libong flavored beer. Swak sa budget, panalo sa sweetness. Uy, sweet!
I think that's it. Okay. Bye.